Hey, you are watching Zing's Natural Nails. Welcome. I'm Zing and I'm going to show you how I created this black nail look with nail gems. If you like what you see, stay tuned. Let's go. Okay, so I'm starting off with bare natural nails and I'm adding my base coat. As I add the base coat, I'm making sure to wrap the edges of my nails. I'm adding 2 coats of base coat. No, it's not necessary, but I like to do it, so I'm doing it. If you don't want to do it, you don't have to. Time to add some colour. So I'm using black regular nail polish. It's so opaque, I love it. No streaks, look at that. So I'm adding black to my baby finger and ring finger. On my middle finger, I'm using this nude colour. Back to black for my index finger and nude again on my thumbnail. Now I'm going in with a second coat of both colours, and again I'm making sure to wrap the edge of each of my nails. Okay, so once that's all done and your nails are nice and dry, it's time for the next step, which is to add some striping tape. And I'm placing the tape on my middle fingernail and thumbnail diagonally. The idea is to create a cross at the tip of both nails. Once the striping tape is all secure, you're going to add some more black polish. So when you're filling in the black, you're creating an untraditional French tip, I guess. I don't know if I'm even describing that well, so just go ahead and look at what I'm doing. Once you're done adding the black polish, it's time to peel off the striping tape. And you should be left with this. Now it's time to add some more striping tape. Again, you're creating a cross at the tip of both nails. Now I have no idea why I struggled with this piece of tape so much, but here we are. Once the striping tape is secure, it'll be time for your next step, which is to add a top coat. Now for once, I'm not using a quick dry top coat. I'm using a regular top coat that takes forever to dry. This is because I'm going to add some nail gems and it should help. Ready to add some gems. Okay, so long story short, I could not find my nail glue. So I decided to use foil glue and hope for the best, and it worked pretty much the same way. And it's as easy as it looks. I added the glue and added my gems using this dotting tool. To be honest, there was no strategy. I just put the glue on my nails and arranged the gems how I thought it looked good. If you don't have a dotting tool, you can always just use a toothpick, or if you're patient enough, use your fingers. But yeah, I have no patience, so the dotting tool was really helpful for me. Adding my last few gems now. All done. And you are left with this black nail look with some nail gems, which looks like you made a lot of effort, but you didn't. I hope you liked the video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't, I don't know what to tell you. And you can follow me on my Instagram at Zing'sNaturalNails, where I post more of my nail looks. Bye!